In this video, I will detail how to reset button and symbol layout in Samsung Galaxy keyboard. So if you have configured or customized your Samsung keyboard to suit your preference, you can easily reset the layout to the default without resetting the keyboard itself. So if you like this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, the first thing you want to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to general management and click on that. Now, once you selected general management, scroll down as well and click on Samsung keyboard settings. Once you selected that, you want to scroll down until you get to the layout, click on layout. Then here, locate button and symbol layout. You have options to restore this back to default, and you have options to choose alternative. So in this case, let's restore or reset this back to default. And then after that, hit the apply button to save changes. Then this is going to take about a few seconds for this to take effect. Then hang on again. Once that is done, come back to the Samsung keyboard settings. Again, scroll down, click on layout, then click on button and symbol layout. There you go. You should have the buttons and symbol layout restored back to default. So this I can easily restore buttons and symbol layout on Samsung phone back to default. If you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.